Hello. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's the first time here, my name is Kigo, and today we are back at the Time project, where in episode 2 we started with the foundation filling and compacting. Today's episode, which is episode 3, we will be focusing on the dampness protection and also reinforcement of the foundation.
Yeah, we are on the Pantam project. This is the DPM. This is an imported product, which will be very difficult to get it on the market here. You can see the wideness of one. We are here to lay DPM and also do the ground beams. The plumbing works have been done. We don't compromise with our piping. You have to use the right pipe for the right job. Because anything you put in here, at least if there should be maintenance, it should be minor, not major. Yes, thank you. Yes, sir. We are here. We lay the DPM left with the small portion inside there. As you told us, we buy some polythene and fix it there. That is why we left it at the middle. Because the outside is the most important here. So now working on the ground beams and also the coverings, doing a sideboard into. So looking at the pace we are going, we've even finished with the plumbing works. We are all in. We are done with the plumbing works. So looking at the pace we are going, if it won't worry. I think one sand two is here, left with the stone, the cement. So if it won't worry and we can get even the machine on Saturday, I think we can do. But if it may worry, we can just leave it on Monday. Yes, we want to work ahead of time and we want to create room for any inconvenience, maybe raining or something. So you just have to be at the safer side where you won't promise anybody, then you say, yeah. So that's thank you, sir.
Okay, so good evening once again. And it's another day with a different work this time around. So I don't like repeating same job or same work each and every day on my status. So this time around I decided to come along with a ground beam, which I don't normally post on my status. Yeah. So you can check it out. This is a ground beam which contains about 37, 37 stirrers in each full bar. So the sentence is marked accordingly, which is marked 10 inches. So each and every full bar takes about 37, which is much enough for a load which is coming to be on top of the ground beam frame. So we always try our possible best to make the work look much attractive for the viewers to know what we are doing, and we are not doing it for life, but we are doing it for the future. Okay, so you can see, even though it's a step down project, so I'm also trying to move closer to the other side for the viewers to see what we have over there too. So as you can see, it's a step down too, and it's not a small building too.
So fast forward, we begin with the concrete casting. Like I said, I will be moving very fast with this project, and also with all this foundation and block laying work. I've been sharing this on my channel for the past 4 years now. So I really want to move beyond that stage. At this phase, the channel is at a phase of plastering and roofing. I mean, 2024 was for roofing. I think 2025 is going to be more of plastering, and then we're going to be doing POP works and electricals and plumbing and everything. So just stay tuned for that. If you want to see more of foundation works and more details and tips, if you go to my playlist, I have so many projects there that you can learn from. The ones on the hill, right? If you want something building on a rock, also we have building on the mountains, also how to do the foundation and everything. If you go to my playlist, they are all there. You get more information right there, right? So check in my playlist, right? If you want to see more of foundation, like explanation of foundation, right? So I mean, like why we put the bars on the foundation and all of that, everything is there. I mean, one project that you get more information is the Pram Pram project, because that is my personal project. So and that's how I started. So in those videos, I really explain a lot. I talked a lot in those videos, right? So check it out. And if you want to see more of this project, right, how we started with the foundation, if you are new to this project, part-time project, also in the playlist, you will get to know how we started and how far we will be going, right? So I don't want to keep the video long. So I think I'm going to end here, and then in our next episode, which will be episode 4, we will complete, the foundation, concrete casting. We'll see the end result and start with the block work. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.